Kia ora, I am Candice Tienanga. I am the Careers Manager for Connexus. So Girls with Hi Vis is an initiative under our Ultimate brand to raise awareness and increase women in our infrastructure industries in trade and technical roles. It's a great initiative that is run throughout New Zealand. We start in Auckland and then we go all the way down to Twizel. Some of our events you get to see the wind farms, you get to go through and see how it all operates and what it looks like close up. You don't get to do this just straight off the street. This is what our events give you as an opportunity.
Look, I think the work that Connexus is doing around getting the Girls with Hi Vis programs and profile around New Zealand is really important for us. Firstly, why would you limit your potential pool of employees to 50% of the population? Secondly, I think it's really important because we are building infrastructure in this country. The economy is growing hugely. We have a huge need over many, many years to come for bright, hard-working, keen people to come in, roll their sleeves up and get stuck in.